In this video, we listed the 5 best air bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Marcy Exercise Fan Bike. The Marcy Fan Exercise Bike is a versatile stationary bike designed for a comprehensive full-body workout, targeting both lower and upper body strength through its dual-action arms. Featuring an innovative air resistance system, this bike not only helps keep users cool during exercise but also allows for adjustable workout intensity via a resistance knob. The user-friendly interface includes an LCD display that tracks essential workout metrics such as time, distance, speed, and calories burned. Ergonomically designed for comfort, the bike boasts an adjustable seat and handlebars with high-density foam to minimize discomfort during workouts. Ideal for home fitness enthusiasts, the Marcy Fan Exercise Bike is easy to assemble and transport, constructed from durable 14-gauge steel tubing with a sleek powder-coated finish, and supports a maximum weight of 250 pounds. With dimensions of 45.5 inches in length, 27.5 inches in width, and 49.5 inches in height, this exercise bike provides an effective cardio solution without the need to leave home. Number 2. SQUATZ Cardio Exercise Bike. The SQUATZ stationary exercise bike is a robust and versatile fitness machine designed for home use, featuring a sleek black design and built from durable alloy steel. Weighing 30 pounds and capable of supporting users up to 275 pounds, this bike is engineered for significant support and stability during workouts. It offers 8 adjustable resistance levels, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels, from beginners to professionals, and includes a 4-way adjustable seat with an air-permeable cushion and an adjustable handlebar for personalized comfort. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a console display that tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, along with a phone, tablet holder for added entertainment during sessions. With its hydraulic resistance mechanism and premium materials, the SQUATZ bike promises an efficient and enjoyable indoor cycling experience. Number 3. YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. The YOSUDA exercise bike is a high-quality, battery-powered stationary bike designed for indoor use, boasting a sturdy alloy steel frame and a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. Weighing 64 pounds, it features a magnetic resistance mechanism and a 30-pound flywheel that ensures a smooth and silent cycling experience, making it ideal for home workouts without disturbing others. The bike is designed for versatility, with adjustable handlebars and a padded seat that accommodate users ranging from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. An LCD monitor tracks essential workout metrics such as pulse, time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer, while a tablet holder allows for entertainment during exercise. User-friendly features include adjustable cage pedals, a quick-stop resistance bar, a water bottle holder, and transport wheels for easy mobility. YOSUDA offers a 1-year free parts replacement and provides online instructional videos for assembly, making it a reliable choice for families looking to enhance their fitness routines at home. Number 4. SQUATZ Stationary Cycling Bike. The SQUATZ Indoor Stationary Bike is a versatile and high-quality exercise machine designed for both home and commercial use, catering to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts from beginners to seasoned athletes. It features 8 adjustable resistance levels, allowing users to tailor their workout intensity, and can support a maximum user weight of 275 pounds. The bike is engineered for comfort and convenience, with a 4-way adjustable handlebar and seat equipped with a high-rebound, air-permeable cushion, as well as a phone, tablet holder for entertainment during workouts. Its compact design makes it suitable for various spaces, while the magnetic resistance mechanism ensures a quiet riding experience. Additionally, the built-in LCD monitor provides real-time tracking of time, speed, distance, and calories burned, enhancing the training experience. Constructed from durable alloy steel, the SQUATZ bike is designed to withstand rigorous use, making it an excellent addition to any fitness routine focused on cycling, athletic training, weight loss, and overall health improvement. Number 5. YOSUDA Folding Exercise Bike. The YOSUDA folding exercise bike is a versatile and user-friendly fitness machine designed for indoor use, making it an ideal choice for individuals and families alike. Weighing 15 kilograms and featuring a maximum weight capacity of 270 pounds, this bike is built to accommodate various users. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, perfect for those with limited space. The bike utilizes a non-contact magnetic resistance system, providing a hyper-quiet ride that is particularly suitable for apartment dwellers. With 8 resistance levels, it caters to all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced users. The oversized seat cushion and anti-slip pedals ensure comfort and stability during workouts, while the large screen computer and heart rate monitor provide real-time tracking of essential exercise metrics. YOSUDA's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their responsive service team and coverage of replacement parts, making this bike a reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine.